Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Powercruise. It is friggin' wet. Right now we pretty much just have to sit here and wait for the rain to clear, but everything's good to go. I'll jump over the tent and I'll show you our setup. Ooh. How you going, man? Alrighty, so still need to put the plate on the car. Yeah.
Leanne's gonna get nervous.
So we've still got quite a while before this rain's even going to come anywhere close to clearing, but Dragon made it. We've done a little bit of driving around. We haven't really got it on the track yet because as we were about to, it started pissing down rain, but man, she's running good. Supported by the one and only VP Racing fuels. Things running better than it ever has before on that. Like literally straight from fire up, like absolute game changer. It just runs so crisp and clean. And as well, we put a little fragrance in it. Makes it smell so good. Oh, I mean, like, there's nothing we can really show right now because we're kind of just waiting for it to clear. So I'm pretty sure Ben and Tim, they're literally going to change the tires on the VE now. And because that's a street car, hasn't got a big friggin' injector hat sticking out of it, we can go and take that on the track in the pissing down, pouring down rain. So day one action is going to start with a Commodore that makes 500 horsepower on a wet track, so it's technically 1,000 horsepower, and we're going to go party and see how well Tim can steer in the wet. So that's they're going to come here and pick us up taxi style, so I'm very keen for that to get out on there because I really want to get out on the track instead of sitting here all day. So hopefully that's soon, hopefully. Alrighty, so the rain's cleared for now. Oh, this is a bit dirty. Rain's cleared for now, so I'm pretty sure Benny and Nat are going to get out. I think they're having issues with the brakes. They might be hitting the wheels. But we're going to go jump in the wagon and at least just drive around the track and get some sessions out there. Won't do any power skids because we don't want to lose and go sideways, but we might go sneaky at least on turn 2 and have a little play with going sideways. What do you think? Give it a go? Yeah. Well, I was hopefully going to go out with them, but it looks like they might be having issues, so see how it goes.
Couple goals.
himself in a bit of trouble. I think they've hurt the VE. He just sent me a video of it getting towed off. And the worst bit about it is the reason he bought the VE is because he breaks every other car. He bought it as a car that's not meant to easily break. I think he's cursed. I don't think it's the cars. I think Tim's cursed. Oh. We'll wait and see what damage he's done once they pull up.
Only been about 7 years.
Sometime today.
Yeah, anytime, man. Still getting started. Sorry. Hey, look at squirter, mate.
I was gonna say, what is it? Is it not priming or?
Look, Adam tends to do things differently.
Just to say, he does them differently.
Yeah, Adam, we don't know how he does things around here, but Adam, he does things different, I said.
Adam do things different?
Yeah.
Not so much different, there's just normal time and Adam's time.
Oh, that's why you've got to put fuel in it. You've got to find the system, you see?
How fucking good are these new colours? Doesn't get much better than this. Oh, he's got the sauce bottle.
Yeah, not too much.
Come on, bro, you should have fucking playing with your dicks.
It's all in the sauce. All in the sauce. What'd you do?
First and second on the box.
Oh.
So I've got a box of ProFlow. I'm gonna get Charlie to go see if I can go grab the box from ProFlow. We'll put it up on the hoist tonight.
Fuck yeah, I love that.
We'll be back tomorrow.
I've only spun out once. I know the 325s get too much grip. Hello? Yeah, we're coming. You've got there's a certain way to do it, but we're on our way. Let's go. Of course it starts raining just as we park it, trying to put it on show. And the windows are down. Oh. Well, we're running. Inconvenient car life. It's never easy. Fuck, she looks good, but at least we got some track time. That's right, just put a cloth over it. Like put a towel or something over it. We're too gross to go in that thing. Oh, don't kick that up your leg as you jump. We're gonna go check out the ProFlow boys and see what sick cars they brought. While also being very wet. We're kind of just committing to it now. Oh, what hit? Did that hit the wall? King HK, looks like it hit the wall. Front quarters pushed in. It doesn't look horrible.
That was a barrier.
Oh. That's a lot of damage for a barrier.
Yeah.
It was just a barrier.
Barriers do damage. Don't you worry.
Yeah, you would know. It
My VE hit a barrier.
Your car's looking quite nice, Charlie. Yeah, it's perfect. Jeez, it's massive.
So it's on vinyl. So you can just blow it, if it's in the shed, you can just blow it off. Dust it off. Yeah.
Wow.
It's like a giant fry.
So if you, so all the grease will fall out, but once it's been hanging for a while.
if you're wondering what this is, he actually thinks he hurt the big block. So instead of missing out on Powercruise, he decided to slap in his spare motor, which is not only a blown small block, but make more horsepower.
I do like it.
Yeah, you said it's easy, like it's better torque, didn't you?
It's hard to see around.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's like instant torque over the whole range. It's crazy.
Whereas he used to the big block kind of coming into it.
Yeah, the big block kind of comes in a bit later. Thanks for that. That's awesome. Present.
Yeah, that's awesome. Amazing. Yeah, set up. It's a beautiful one, Matty.
Thanks, buddy.
Ooh. What did you say? He's about to take that out for the first time.
First time.
Dang. Man, I remember being in those shoes last year. Absolutely terrified. Whereas now, I'm happy to just blow around the track. We just went out again for a session then. I was gonna try and get Tim to film, but he was too busy trying to like help me and teach me how to like get sideways and when to get into it in the corners and whatnot. It's pretty much just a bit of a play around. It's still got the same issue that it had from Summon Hats. We really don't know what it is. It's got to be a fueling issue. I reckon one of the jets must be blocked or something, because when you first get into it, it's fine. But if you click top gear, even doing a power skid, it just starts to fall over. And then I've got to take one of the springs off the hat because it's way too stiff on the pedal. When you get off, like when you get it sideways and you're trying to chase it around, as you're trying to finesse it, the pedal's so stiff and has so much like spring back that the finesse just isn't there. You've got to be so heavy footed that you can't finesse it and you just lose it straight away. I only spun out again once that time. But yeah, we're slowly getting it. Hopefully by the end of the weekend, hopefully we can get it. Hopefully. All right, now we're gonna help load the VE back up because they're, what was it, Benny? You lost first, second,
and reverse.
And reverse. Tim's bloody cursed. So putting that on the trailer now because they're actually gonna go put a new box in it tonight because Benny hasn't even had a steer yet.
No, nothing. 3 laps in and the car's gone.
Tim is fucking cursed. He's not allowed to drive any cars ever again. Isn't that right, Tim?
Yours is, hey, I heard yours is next.
I don't know.
I read rumors.
Oh. Dream team action for the afternoon. Hopefully the track's dry enough for him to get some smoke out.